Before I recognize the team leader, please state who are those members of that fraud audit team. Kakasuhan ko kayo. Pag-state, sino-sino yon?
Or sa DOJ for the appropriate filing of case. For the filing of appropriate cases.
That will never happen, Your Honor.
Huh?
That will not happen, Your Honor.
Pwede ngang, I will agree with you, ma'am, na it will not happen. Pero when will it happen? Yun po yung katanungan. Kanina po yun eh. Kanina pa yun ang dinidiscuss natin eh. Di ba? Kasi nasa kamay ninyo kung bibilisan nyo o i-delay ninyo eh. Nasa kamay po ninyo. Hindi po ba?
We are adopting the sense of urgency also with this audit.
Sagutin nyo muna yung tanong ko, ma'am. Hindi po ba tama yung aking kaisipan?
Yes, Your Honor, yes.
Yes. Nasa inyo ang control kung madidelay o mapapabilis.
But our heads also imposes direct order for us to finish this activity.
1 year? Ang orders kanila?
Kasi
yeah,
yung fraud audit for the provincial government, 1 taon na po eh. Anyway, pag hindi nyo rin natapos ang report ninyo, wala rin po kayong, hindi rin po makakarating itong problemang ito sa Civil Service Commission. Would that be correct also?
That is correct, but I think that projection will not happen, Your Honor.
It will not happen. It is happening, Madam. Opo, sa dami ng hearing namin dito, palaging COA ang may delay palagi ang report ng COA. Hindi lang po ako membro ng committee na ito. Marami pa akong committee na membro ako, nakikita ko yon.
Yes, but at this moment, Your Honor, the timeline is not within our power to say. That is why...
Oo nga, ngayon nyo lang ina-admit na hindi nyo kontrolado. Pero nung una, nagbibigay kayo ng timelines dito sa amin. Now, what was the basis of you giving us timelines? Tapos ngayon, sasabihin ninyo, hindi nyo kontrolado. Bakit kayo nagbibigay pa ng timeline nung una?
Recalling the situation that time, Your Honor, I was a bit confused and pressured to give the timeline.
Wala na akong argumento pag ganon, Mr. Chair. Saan pong opisina po kayo? Sa main or sa province?
Mr. Chair, I am with the Central Office, Your Honor, Fraud Audit Office.
Central Office?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you explain to me, bakit po hindi nyo kayang may submit yung inyong report on your promised date and time?
Mr. Chair, according to the special audit teams, they were faced with several issues, Your Honor. First was the delay in the submission of the third-party validations. And there were also days that due to the typhoon, they were not able to report to work, Your Honor. And also, Your Honor, due to the voluminous records pertaining to especially to the fraud audit, financial assistance audit, Your Honor, there were voluminous records they have to examine, Your Honor.
I-divide natin po yung kung saan nanggaling yung delay. Sa Provincial Government of Cagayan or sa COA? Saan nanggagaling ang delay? Sa Provincial Government of Cagayan because of their compliances or galing sa COA mismo sa ayaw ninyong gumalaw? Saan po nanggagaling? Inaantay ko po yung sagot ninyo.
Mr. Chair, according to our records, the special audit teams transmitted their audit highlights
Hindi po yun ang tanong ko.
on August 7, Your Honor. But
You're answering my question inappropriately. Saan po na, kasi sinabi nyo maraming cost na delay. Ang tanong ko po, sinundan ko po yung sagot po ninyo. Saan po nanggagaling yung cost ng delay? Sa COA or sa Provincial Government of Cagayan?
Mr. Chair, from the special audit team, we accept that we were remiss on some of we were delayed, Your Honor.
Pakiulit mo, pakilakasan mo.
But according to the SAT, Your Honor, they were trying their best to accomplish, Your Honor.
It is Section 11 of our rules. And you know what that is? It's the power of contempt. Hindi po ako nagbibiro. Kasi kanina ko pa naririnig yung mga tanong ng mga kasamahan ko eh. Para bang kawawa kami rito na humihingi sa inyo ng resulta eh. Samantalang trabaho po ninyo yun. Now, you answer my question. Otherwise, I will use that as a reason for me to move to cite you in contempt for not answering my questions.
Your Honor, according to the SAT, Your Honor, it was due to several factors, Your Honor.
Sinabi mo na yan kanina. Now, which factors belong to the Provincial Government of Cagayan and which factors belong to your office? Ayun lang po ang katanungan ko eh. Sagutin nyo lang po. Di ba?
Yes,
Bakit
yes, Your
hindi nyo
Honor.
masabi kung meron kayong diferensya? Napakahirap bang tanggapin na kayo po ay may mali? O may pagkukulang?
We accept that.
Hindi sabihin po ninyo in
Yes, Your
public
Honor.
para malaman ng tao. Kasi parang kami patuloy ang nagkukulang eh.
COA, please answer directly the query of Chairman
Yes,
Akop.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we accept that maybe the SAT was part of the delay, Your Honor.
So, kasama po kayo doon sa delay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon, sinabi po nyo kanina na yung Provincial Government of Cagayan ay hindi po nagsasubmit on time ng mga requirements po ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ibig nyo sabihin yung Provincial Government of Cagayan hindi po takot sa COA? Samantalang kami rito, takot na takot pag inimbestigahan ninyo eh. Sige nga. Sagutin nyo po ako. Eh kung binibigyan nyo kami ng notice para mag-explain, nag-i-explain po kami kaagad eh. Why is it that you cannot force the Provincial Government of Cagayan to submit your required documents?
COA, please answer the query.
Your Honor, may I request for the team leader to directly answer your question, Your Honor?
Before I recognize the team leader, please state who are those members of that fraud audit team. Kakasuhan ko kayo. Pag-state, sino-sino yon?
Your Honor, from our office
You're the most senior?
Yes, Your Honor, the team supervisor is Auditor Reyna Afos, Your Honor.
Reyna Acos, then the members.
The members are Team Leader Realin Mauricio, Your Honor, and co-TL is Deborah Araujo, Your Honor, and several team members, Your Honor.
Who are those several team members?
From the team members, Your Honor, we have Joannes Taginod, Elaine Pascual, Marvin De Guzman, Emily Pajarillo, Angel Rose de la Cruz, and Ariane Velasquez, Your Honor. This is the office order, Your Honor, for the financial assistance.
Oh,
Audit,
yung sa
Your Honor.
Bombo.
For the For the Bombo Radio audit, Your Honor, the team leader is Attorney Kim Mengiso, and team members are Leia Sins Garcia, Your Honor,
Sino pa?
and Josilac Maghuyop, Your
Dalawa
Honor.
lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
So different team yan.
A separate team, Your Honor, was created for the
Okay,
Bombo Radio.
so you want to answer yung team leader? Doon sa tanong Chairman Akop, please. The team leader, please occupy the seat and answer the query of Chairman Akop.
They are already here, Your Honor.
Please answer the query of Chairman Akop. Oh, ba't nagtuturuan kayo? Dalawa kayong team leader? Sinong team leader? Oh, who's the team leader?
Attorney Kim, Your Honor.
Attorney
Mengiso
Kim, you
for
answer the
Bombo
query of
Radio.
Chairman Akop.
As regards the delay, Chairman Akop, it's
Have you taken your oath?
not yet.
Have you
Your Honor.
not yet? Oh, please, all those COA representative to take their oath. Comsec, please administer the oath of the COA representative.
Stand up and for this committee, so help you God.
Please take your seat. Oh, please proceed. Kasi isang taon na tayo dito sa COA fraud audit na yan. Please proceed.
Okay, as to the delay, it's a combination of different circumstances. It's not just that the PGC is in delay. We also confirmed with other government agencies such as the Land Bank, the NTA, the DBM, the Bureau of Treasury, the COMELEC, and NTA pa.
Attorney.
And
Pag tinanong kita, attorney, baka magka-problema kapag pinasabit ko when all those documents was submitted to your office, duly received.
yes, Chair.
You mentioned a lot of agencies. Oh, please submit to this committee. All those documents being required to you by those agencies you mentioned. Receive copy, ha? Huwag na tayo dito. Kanina may bagyo pa kayo. Eh, hindi naman araw-araw bumabagyo, hindi buwan-buwan bumabagyo. Di ba? One of your reasons that was stated by your senior officer? Dahil sa bagyo? Oh, can you submit that? Oh, Miss Attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. We have the excerpt of documents, and
You can submit it?
I will seek the permission of our team supervisor.
Ay, hindi. Ay, sino yung team, team leader? I thought you're the team leader.
For the two teams, we have 3 team leaders.
Ikaw, team leader ka rin.
For Bombo Radio Audit.
O, for Bombo Radio. Oh.
And also ako
Yung sa Bombo Radio, tama ba yung sinasabi mo na lahat na yung mga mentioned agencies ang kailangan nyo? That includes the COMELEC? Doon sa audit sa Bombo?
No, Your Honor, that's for the financial
Oh, why
audit.
you are answering for on behalf of the PGC audit?
I am
Eh, sa Bombo
also,
ka lang naman.
yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you should not answer that.
I am also a co-team leader of
you-
the financial
team leader
audit
ka rin.
team. Yes.
Also, you can submit those documents.
Mr. Chair, as of now, Your Honor, since the fraud audit report is not yet final, we cannot submit the
Ito,
audit working papers, Your
sorry.
Honor.
But you mentioned na yun yung reason. Now, you submitted to the committee. Kasi gusto ko lang i-validate when was that document was submitted to your office. Eh baka ibalik ko sa COMELEC. Hindi kayo nag-require. Tapos ginagawa yung reason ang COMELEC. Attorney, did the COA ask for that document from your office?
Mr. Chair, I have not received, at least my office have not yet received any request from COA.
Oh. Saan kayo nag-request ng Saan kayo nag-request? Attorney,
We have requested
Attorney-
from the
sorry?
we have requested from the Commission Secretariat. Your Honor, we can provide the dates when we requested the documents. Because the the audit is still ongoing, we cannot provide the documents that they have submitted, but we can provide the dates when these documents were submitted.
Madam, sandali po. Kasi kung dates lang, wala rin yan. You provide us kahit yung cover letter lang. In your request and the reply of the
Cover letter.
agencies.
Yes, Your
O, ulitin natin anong mga agencies para isa-isa. O, anong mga agency?
The DBM, the Bureau of Treasury, COMELEC, National Tobacco Administration, the Bureau of Treasury, the Land Bank of the Philippines.
O, Land Bank nandito, Land Bank. Land Bank. O, when was the time that you received a request letter coming from the COA?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Sir, I'm sorry, the present manager of Land Bank Capital Branch is not around. I'm a
Oh, why
retired.
is not around?
I understand my excuse letter po, sir.
Comsec,
Sorry,
please
po
check
ako.
the excuse letter of the branch manager of Land Bank. O prior engagement. So for the past 1 month, kasi natapos tayo August 6 ata. Ngayon, September 16. O mag-isang buwan. Tapos nagkataon na may schedule siya. Hindi ko ito tatapusin. Ipapadrap ko lang yung committee report. Mag-hearing tayo ulit. Mr. Chairman, sandali po. A show cause order should be issued to the branch manager of the Land Bank. So move. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Yes. Ikaw.
Per information from the tellers and the sample letter received in August 27, 2024, we already forwarded our reply to COA. Doon sa letter nila.
August 2024?
August 27.
2024, bago lang?
Yes, sir. Bago lang yata yung letter din nila sa amin. Ito po yung reply namin.
Sandali, ano yan, letter? Reply to the letter or submission of documents being required to your office?
Audit query memorandum po yung ginawa dito, sir.
Oh. COA. Oh, patawa-tawa ka dyan, attorney. August 27 daw. Audit query pa lang.
Addition lang interjection lang, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
That is what, you know why it's an issue for us? Because COA, let me get this clear, COA committed to give us a copy of the report on August 20, 2024. Yet August 27, wala pa pala yung documents galing from Land Bank na nire-request nyo. How can you commit to submit to us a report if at that time, hindi nyo pa natanong si Land Bank sa documents that you wanted from them eh? Who made that commitment to us last meeting? Ikaw yung ma'am, di ba? What's your name again? I'm sorry.
Reyna Afos, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. I remember that you made that commitment the last hearing that we had. And I'm making it an issue because how could you have made a commitment na hindi pa pala na-request si Land Bank ng documents about the issues that you're investigating, di ba? How can you complete an audit if wala pa sa inyo yung dokumento na yun? Hindi nyo pa na pala nahingi from Land Bank, di ba? And you made that commitment before this committee po. That is why for me it is an issue. How could you make a commitment na ganun na wala pa pala, hindi pa pala gumagalaw yung investigasyon ninyo?
Thank you, Chairman. Anyway, before we proceed, let me acknowledge the presence of the guest of DSG Sofonias Gabonada Jr., si Sir Punyong from the UP NCPAG. Nandito po sila, nag-observe. Welcome to the Committee on Public Accounts. Good afternoon po. Please be seated.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Chairman Akop.
O what? Tama po ba yung observation ni Chairman Flores?
Mr. Chair, first, we would like to make a correction.
Sagutin mo muna ako.
Yes.
Hindi ko naman hinihingi yung correction mo.